Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making green bean casserole from fresh picked green beans from my garden. Let's go. Okay, so I took off the ends and the strings of the two ends, and I saved a few beans that are going to be replanted later. So here we go. I'm going to wash these. Okay, they're washed now. I'm going to boil them. I'm cooking it on high, and over here I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. I'm not sure if I'll need 1 or 2 cans, so I'm going to go ahead and just open one of the cans while I'm waiting for this to boil. This is the large mixing bowl by Pampered Chef. It also comes with a lid, and this is, I don't know the official name of it, but it's the Pampered Chef spatula basically. So that came out nice and clean. I'm just going to use the spatula to clean out the rest. Get your money's worth. Get every penny out of that can. At your discretion, you can mix in some of the dried French onions, but save a bunch to put on top of the ends. The spatula is good for mixing too. Okay, I drained the green beans. I'm gonna mix these all up. Now I'm gonna pour this into here. I'm gonna flatten it out. I'm gonna clean out this bowl. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Now put some more on top. Put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes. There we go, it's finished. Thanks for watching. Bye!